Yeah.
Action?
Yes, action.
Because we're earning mga kaniwat, mga ka-Rabbit Day. I have here with me the latest edition of Starbucks 2021 Planner.
Yeah.
Another collection. This is a X2.
Yeah.
So we will unbox this one later.
Okay.
See you. This is my team, and this is my area manager, Jim Will. You say hi. And I was the recording specialist. Yes, Arlene. And this is the very busy man, Greg. And this is the immigration officer. This is the immigration officer. Am I fat? And this is the boyfriend of the immigration officer. And this is the most kulit one. This is Aristi. Alright, today we're going to unbox our, the most awaited, it has dates already. Starbucks Planner. Yeah, this is my second one for the year 2021. The most awaited. The one that I got, it has, wallet, but this one is a pure planner. The first one is the organizer. And this second one is the planner. They are busy too because they have their own YouTube channel. And the channel is?
Jamel's Chronicles. Please subscribe, like,
Wow.
comment, share.
And how about you?
Alan Rivas Adventure. Please subscribe.
Wow! So they are very busy for their YouTube channel. They forgot about first. And look at that one. The busiest one. So, immigration officer. This is the immigration officer. Please do subscribe on her channel. The title of her channel is what? So that's the YouTube channel of our Joey. And how about your Risti? The most maalat one? So mga ka-Rabbit Day, today is January 6th. And this is the very first time for the year that we met again. So this is our meeting. They're very busy. And the next YouTube video and episode will be on Valentine's Day. Alright, so we will unbox the planner. Starbucks 2021 planner. You know what?
Let's start. Shall we start?
So, we're going to unbox now. The
Yes.
planner because they're very excited about this.
Yes.
So, we're going to unbox this one. And
We're excited. Unbox, unbox, unbox. Here we go.
My cameraman is Jim Will.
Yes.
So, we have a picture here. We're inside the Starbucks.
I'm getting all angles for you.
Alright, so this is the plastic.
Ngiting tagumpay, oh.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
I collected a Starbucks planner and organizer. So I
Planner collector.
Yep. Choose color yellow because they said that the color yellow is the lucky color for 2021.
Yes.
I hope this will be filled
It's
out
yellow.
with
It means prosperity.
first.
Prosperity for the team.
Wow. So here you go.
Wow.
So we're going to open another set
So
of
nice.
plastic. Wow, my goodness, I don't have nail.
The cutter.
I think I'm going to get a ball pen.
Here we go.
We should be very careful. Right. This one is oh my goodness, I got a lot of cameramen here.
Iba ang sikat eh. You're
So
famous.
what we have
Famous.
here is the bookmark. And of course, the famous what do you call this one?
It's mermaid.
I think it's a koi. I don't know.
Oh, it's Starbucks. Mermaid.
So, ta-da! Again, we have this set of sticker.
What's
and
inside?
then it has,
Maybe-
it's same with last year.
Oh,
Last year is like this. But this one
I
is,
thought there's a cash inside.
so here you go,
Oh, you wish.
2021 and 2022.
Wow,
It's same
it's already.
last year. And I got this another Starbucks from 2019 edition. As you can see,
That's so pro.
rules of mathematics inside.
Awesome.
All right. So here you go.
Yes.
YouTube.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And I hope you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to get notified whenever I upload newest video. Thank you so much, mga Karabitin, for watching. I love you.
Yay.